Hey, so welcome back. Okay, so I've been getting a little burnt out with doing the music videos, so I thought I would try to see what would happen if I use my voice. Okay, so I know I still sound kind of terrible, but I want to try to do a video using my voice instead of music and see how it goes. So I have this integral here. This is from the Scranton Integration Bee 2018 from the finals, number 19. We have the integral of tan squared x over secant squared x minus tan squared x minus sine squared x dx. Okay, so to start with, what I want to do is look for some simplification with the trig functions. And we notice the tangent and secant work well together, but this sine isn't quite fitting in. What I wanted to do for a simplification, let's start with this secant squared x. Now I want to make use of this identity that we know. We have this identity tan squared x plus 1 equals secant squared x. And I could rearrange this and try to substitute in for the tangent, but we only have one secant. So let's see what happens if instead of secant I take this and plug that in here. Okay, so now that we have this in here, what we have is we get some nice cancellation, right? This is going to cancel with this. But then our denominator is just 1 minus sine squared x. But we've got a nice identity for this as well. We can write this as cosine squared x. So let me rewrite this thing and see what we have now. And from here, I would say this is quite a bit simpler than what we had to begin with, so this is good. But then from here, what I want to do, let's take this cosine. Really with cosine, we'd rather work with secant. So if I bring this into the numerator, I can write this as a secant squared. But then from here, this is actually kind of a very standard kind of trig integral that we have here. And we can do this with a u substitution. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to make my u, we'll call u equal to tan x. And then derivative of tangent is going to be just secant squared x dx. Well, that's exactly what we have here. So we'll make the substitution, and what we're going to have is it's going to be u squared du. And this is going to be very simple. We're just going to integrate this power rule, right? And we're going to have u cubed over 3 plus c. Going to back substitute right here. Let's just back substitute this thing right here. And we're left with our final solution. It's just going to be tan cubed x over 3 plus c. And we're done. Okay, now I need to go rest my voice. That was... Okay, now I need to go like ice my throat because that was hard. So we'll stop it there. Thanks everyone for watching. Please like and subscribe. Have a good day.